creative education, and today we are finding out about the Titanic. Now, the Titanic is that wonderful great big ship with 4 huge chimneys, one of which did not work. It was just there for show, to make the ship seem grand. We're going to be finding out about some of the people who lived on board, and of course, maybe even doing some acting. You will get to act alongside me, a professional actor, apparently. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to do something, you're going to copy me. I'm going to do something, you're going to copy me. Let's start like this. Ha! Ooh! Ale, ale! Now you. Ariki tiki tonga. Awasa wasa wasa. Ooh, alue, alue, alua. That was pretty good, but you need to be nice and loud. So as loud as we can now, I go and then you go. Ooh, ale, ale. Ariki tiki tonga. Awasa wasa wasa. Ooh, alue, alue, alua. Pretty good. Alright, now we're going to do it nice and quiet. Ooh, ale, ale. Hariki tiki tonga. Awasa wasa wasa. Ooh, alue, alue, ala, shh. It's pretty good, especially you there. You were brilliant. No, you. Yeah, you were fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. Alrighty then. Now we're going to be some of the people who were on board that wonderful ship. Absolute feat of engineering, I'm sure. Who's the first person you think of when you think of the Titanic? Maybe it's Leonardo DiCaprio? No. Maybe it's Kate Winslet? No. Of course, the captain was Edward J. Smith. Now, when we're acting, we need to use our face, our body, and our voice. Now, we're going to become a captain. Someone who is well-educated, somebody who was maybe a bit rich at the time. So, first of all, shake yourself off. Shake yourself off. Oh, that's weird. You look a bit odd doing that. All right, now we're going to create a captain's face. Can you show me? Quite serious, quite stern. Maybe looking up, and maybe looking down on people. Good. Now can you create the captain's body language? Hands by the side maybe, hands on hips, folded arms, it's up to you. And now we're going to think about the captain's voice. Oh yes, let's do our little song as though we are the captain. That's wonderful. Ooh, ale ale, ariki tiki tonga, awasa wasa wasa. Ooh, alue, alue, alua. Pretty good, okay. Do you know the captain's name? Of course, it was Edward J. Smith. Captain Edward J. Smith. I go, you go. Edward J. Smith. J. Smith. Edward J. Smith. J. Smith. Good. Edward J. Smith was the captain of the Titanic. So now we've done the captain, we're going to do a sleepy lookout. Now the lookout wasn't sleepy on the Titanic. They didn't miss the iceberg. In fact, they didn't see the iceberg because most of it was under the water. So the part of the iceberg they hit wasn't the bit that was above the water that the lookout could have seen anyway. It was actually below the water. So, I'm sure the lookout was doing a wonderful job that night, but we're going to do it as though they're very sleepy indeed. Okay. Alright, sleepy faces, sleepy body language, and sleepy voices. I go and then you go. Ooh, ale ale. Ariki tiki tonga. Oh, was. Oh. Ooh, alue, alue, alue. What's that? Can you go? What's that? Wonderful, fantastic. So, we have done the captain, Captain Edward J. Smith, and we have done the lookout, who is probably not sleepy, but we've done them as though they're very sleepy. Who shall we do next? I know. let's do one of the musicians who actually played their instruments even when the Titanic was sinking. Now, there were probably lots of musicians on board. Some of them might have played the violin, some of them might have played the drums, some of them might have played the guitar. That's a bass guitar, in case you couldn't tell. Some of them might have played the singing, played their voice. They might have sung. Oh! Maybe not for me, eh? Maybe not for me. But I would like you to choose which musician you're going to be on board the Titanic. Let's have a little think. Think about their face, their body, and their voice. I'm going to be the drummer. Alright then, so, the drummer. Let's do whatever you are. I go and then you go. Okay. Why is the drummer from Yorkshire? I don't know. Ooh! Ale ale! Ariki tiki tonga! Oh, wassa wassa wassa! Ooh, aluwe, ala cymbals! Good, fantastic. Alright, so, we did the captain. Can you remember his name? Edward J. That's right. Maybe you can tell me something about the iceberg when the Titanic hit it. Where was it? Did the lookout do their job? And finally, you can tell me, what did the musicians do when the Titanic was sinking? Very good. You, and you. Fantastic. You. The other one, no, this one. Not so much, eh? Not so much. Don't worry, you'll get it next time. How about rewind the video, have a little listen again, play again, do some whatever you do again, and then you will get the answers. Right, let's move on to our next exercise. Okay, now, we're going to do some improvisation. That means making things up on the spot. I have some script that I would like to use. And you need to try and say some lines after me. So don't repeat what I'm saying. Try and answer any questions that I'm asking you. You might have to think on the spot, and if you can't, that's okay. You can always rewind this video, indeed you can, to have a little practice and maybe write a script of your own. Okay, so I am going to be the captain's first mate. Now, the first mate is the person who's second in charge, the second in control, okay? And you are going to be Captain Edward J. Smith. So get into character a little bit. Show me that Captain Edward J. Smith facial expression, body language, and think about his voice. Lovely. And I am going to be the first mate, okay? So I'm going to be running. Oh, we've got someone coming and join us. I don't know if you can see, but this is my dog right here, of course, wanting to join in, and you're going to be the second mate. How about that? We've got a second mate dog, okay? Second mate dog. You can be Captain Edward J. Smith. I'll be the first mate. I'm going to go off shot, and I'm going to ask you some questions. You need to answer as Edward J. Smith. Okay, are you ready? You can't see me. You can't see me. Hey, Captain, listen, the ship's sinking. What are we going to do? Yeah, but we've got to do more. What else can we do? No, the second mate says we must do more. I don't understand what you're saying. Describe it to me again. Okay. That sounds like a good idea. And how are we going to save everyone on board? Okay, write that down. Brilliant. Thanks very much, Captain. I'll tell the crew. Very good. You are ace. Fantastic. And if you didn't get the answers that time, maybe you've got a few more ideas this time, eh? Maybe you've got a few more ideas. The second mate certainly enjoyed it, didn't she? The second mate enjoyed it. And I've given her a little cuddle to say well done. And I should say well done to you too. You've been brilliant. Okay. Now, I would like you to go back. Watch this video one more time. And see if you can do this even better next time. If you can, then record yourself so you can see yourself doing it. Yes, indeed. Anyway, thanks so much. My name's been Clem from One Day Creative. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all next time. Bye now!